So, and I'm gonna open this box that has a bunch, a lot of things. Okay. Ooh. I got a dog. I got a goat. I got a number 1 and it's a brush. I got another dog. I got a triceratops. I don't know what is this, but I can. And I don't know what is this. And this is an elephant ear. Okay, I'm done.